Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my second Bvlgari unboxing. I know I just did a Bvlgari unboxing, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what's going on. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'm Maddie Shops on Instagram. Things happen faster, quicker, earlier on there. Doing a sit down YouTube video takes a little bit of time, effort, uploading, blah, blah, blah. So things come later, and I also try and like space it out. So it's like 2 videos a week. Otherwise it would literally be like a 5 video drop, then a 2-week break, then a 5 video. I mean, maybe I should do it. Like, actually, let me know. It'd be better. I kind of like film on the weekends, and then I have like work a full-time job during the week. So anyway, all that to say, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what it is. And if you don't, get tucked in, settle down, subscribe to me on YouTube if you haven't already, and let's get into this reveal. It is not an official unboxing. I already unboxed it, like I said, on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. It was wrapped beautifully in this saffron Bvlgari wrapping paper. Okay, you're gonna know what it is immediately when I pull it out, especially because I've been talking about it, especially because I was like, ooh, I'm not gonna do it. This isn't happening for me. I'm waiting, I'm being good, I'm going to Paris, blah, blah, blah. And then I got a little text from the Bvlgari sales advisor, and she was like, well, I know you wanted to try this, and one just came in, and it's first come, first served, and it is very limited. And so if you're interested, come see it. And I was like, I don't need it. I don't even need to do that. I just bought these earrings. I love these earrings. I'm going to Paris soon, you know, be responsible, Maddie. But then as it happened, like the day that it came in, they were having an event, and I was like, oh, well, it might be fun to like go see the event, you know, like, I don't know, food, champagne, whatever. And then also at work, I got a raise. And so I was like, money burning hole in my pocket almost. Like it was meant to be, right? Because I had like something then to celebrate and commemorate. No, are you following? I don't know. Anyway, I got the watch. You can see it. This is, I think, what's his name? Ando. That is the Japanese architect who collaborated on this series of seasonal watches. So I've already opened it. It had this beautiful wrapping, which you can see on my Instagram. So pretty though. And I also got, let's see, the little, oh wait, I pulled this. This is just the receipt. I'll actually show you. I like this box better than the normal boxes. And then a little carrying pouch that we can look at in a minute. Okay, let me show you the watch. This is the thing everyone wants to see. These watches come in special edition boxes, actually. It's so stunning. And so it has like this extra paperwork back here, but I like this because there's also a little place for the authenticity card. Anyway, let me show you the watch up close. God. Everyone's like, Maddie, hello, I do not care about the paperwork or the box. This is the watch. The pink mother of pearl. Oh my gosh, this light is bothering me. It is so pretty. So it is rose gold, pink mother of pearl. And this is a pink, what stone is this? Rubellite, a pink rubellite on the side of the dial there. It is just the most stunning watch. I came up with a million reasons not to buy this watch. For one, you could only wear it on the left-hand side, and I am left-handed, so I normally wear my watch on the right, which is why I'm moving my bracelet over right now. But, you know, what they say, fashion is pain, requires sacrifices. So anyway, but it comes in this really cute little satin bolster. Ugh. You know, there was a million reasons to say no. And so then to put it on, you kind of like hook the tail around your wrist and wrap it around like that. And it just sits on your wrist like so. So you can see. It's just, so pretty. I don't know if you can see it. It's too shiny. It's too shiny. Okay, anyway, so this is a collaboration with Tadao Ando. So Bvlgari gives life to Japanese architect Tadao Ando's vision of nature in Serpenti DNA, a new metamorphosis of the iconic Bvlgari Serpenti watch with the first artistic collaboration inspired by the beauty of nature in every season. So this is spring, by the way. A collection of 4 limited watches with contrast of aventurine for summer green forests, the shimmering brown of tiger's eye for autumn air, the brilliance of white mother of pearl for the icy beauty of winter, and the pink mother of pearl for the Japanese cherry blossom that heralds the arrival of spring. So this is a spring watch. The first one that they came out with was summer, and that was yellow gold and malachite. And then they came out with an autumn one, which was solid gold and tiger's eye, which was really pretty. And then they came out with a winter one, which was all stainless with white mother of pearl, also very pretty, and they all have diamonds. And then this one is pink mother of pearl and rose gold. The really interesting thing about these watch faces too is that every single watch face is unique. Like I was looking at photos of different ones online, and the way that they kind of piece each of these tiny mosaic of mother of pearl pieces together, it's like must be done by hand, because the mosaic isn't the same on every watch. I don't know if you can see it. Just get really close for you. Focus, focus. Oh my god, it's focusing on the back part. Can you see that? It's just so pretty. I can't stop staring at it when I wear it. And it's such a vibe. I also like it worn over like a long sleeve. I think it looks really elegant that way. And it's just, I couldn't resist it. I couldn't resist it. What can I say? If it's limited and it's pink, call me a sucker, but I had to have it. Anyway, so this box actually is better, I think, than the normal watch box, because it has this little folder back here, which holds the card. My advisor was like, you can pick between the normal box, which doesn't have a little folio back here, but it has the really pretty saffron interior. I thought I kind of need the box that was made to go with the special collection, just in case, like, I don't know, I die and my husband wants to sell the watch. Oh, it also had this little rubber, I don't know, cover on it. I'll stick that back in the box. So very, very cute. Unfortunately, it came in after the price increase. So if I had pre-ordered it, like they were encouraging me to do, but I couldn't really do, it was going to be $16,500 and I paid $17,200. So such is life, you know, you live, you learn. I really don't understand, like, this receipt, could they not make it able to go in the box, like, at all? Does it have to be just like a few centimeters longer? Okay, anyway, I feel like everybody does that. Like, why wouldn't VCA make the receipts able to like tuck into the boxes, like, if you're gonna give me all this paperwork? Anyway, and then I also got the little carrying case, which actually, I'm gonna be honest, this carrying case is kind of, it's a little bit whatever. It feels very, I don't know. So it's this, here, get more light again. It's this satiny case stitched on the outside. It's just like, you can feel and see, like, can you see the light through this? Like, it's cardboard, and then, I don't know, I just feel like it could have done a little bit more for an almost $20,000 watch. The pillow's cute, but the pouch just like really isn't doing it for me. It's like, to me, it's very whatever. Very whatever. I'm such a brat. Okay, anyway. That is that. And so, yeah, returning to like my luxury resolutions, I think I'm doing a good job. I'm investing in fine jewelry. As I said, I've kind of been good staying away from the costume jewelry. I think this is I mean, it's special, right? Like I would normally say, I was trying on the Serpenti, and I think probably normally if you're gonna get a Bvlgari watch, a Serpenti watch, honestly, it's probably better to buy it secondhand because they hold, well, right now they're really popular and they're holding more resale value, but I think they're gonna decline in popularity over the next few years. You're definitely not gonna get your money back. I mean, the price just keeps going up. You could probably get a pretty good deal online for a used one. That said, this, because it's special edition, there aren't that many. In fact, I saw the winter one because it was stainless steel. This is stainless and rose gold, but just the stainless steel one was closer to like 12,000. And there's one for sale right now on the Real for 18. No kidding. And it's like, what? That's crazy. That's crazy, because I think it's because it's limited, right? So for the limited things, maybe more worth it. I also really understand wanting the boutique experience and being worried about fakes and all of that. So yeah. Anyway, I just think it's like so pretty. I love the pink color. I'm obsessed. I mean, honestly, you hear about, for example, LVMH, their shares were down. It's like Hermes did okay. Probably because they're making everything in China. Okay, sorry. I don't even want to touch that one. I don't even want to touch it. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. But anyway, what I was going to say, LVMH, Kering, you know, all of these brands. Let me tell you, I have the answer. I have the answer on how you can stay afloat in trying times. Okay, for Chanel, let me tell you what to do. Produce 1,000, only 1,000 Chanel Caviar Mini. You could do 1,000 pink, 1,000 beige, 1,000 black. All right, and sell them for like, price them like 9K. You know what I mean? Okay, maybe not, maybe 10,000, but like make it super, super limited. They'll be gone. They'll be gone. And then the thing is you can't then do it again. A Caviar Mini. Okay, so for Chanel, it's the Caviar Mini. For VCA, if you would make a pink mother of pearl jewelry set, I know that they do and it's special order and whatever, but if they had that, they could literally charge double. You know, make it with diamonds, pink mother of pearl and diamonds. Everyone would be buying it. I promise you. I'm just telling you guys, there are two, you know, the main way out of the like whatever hard buying environment is to make more pink things or purple things, actually, because I'm not a purple person, but purple people are crazy, and if it's purple, they're gonna buy it. Also the orange people. So it's the purple people, the pink, and the orange. I want you appealing to these three. Maybe the red people, but the red people, they have a lot of stuff already. They don't need it the way that the pink, the purple, and the orange people need it and will buy it. I'm telling you, no more grayish, no more beige, no more whatever, white, black, white. It's the pink people, the purple people, and the orange people that are gonna pull you through this recession. Okay, so I need you appealing to them. I need you bringing color. I need you to be doing special edition things. And I just do it once and then move on. Do it once pink, once purple, once orange, and then move on. And it's gonna be tough, but this is your way out. This is my free consulting advice to retailers during trying times. I'm like, could you just do, if you did pink mother of pearl, oh my gosh, if Bvlgari did a series of Diva's Dream, they brought back the pink opal, or just did pink mother of pearl, like these mother of pearl earrings, you're telling me that wouldn't do it for them? Be for real, everyone would want that. Okay, anyway, I kind of got sidetracked here. This is my new watch. It's over the top. It's so pretty though. I'm loving it. I couldn't help myself. You can tell why. And it doesn't really bother me wearing it on my left hand because I do wear bracelets on my left. I kind of treat it like a bracelet when it's on my left hand, because I'll be like, what time is it? And then I'll be like, oh, I'm not wearing a watch, but it's over here, you know? But that's what phones are for anyway. It's kind of more of a jewelry bracelet. You know, I was talking on Instagram about what makes sense logically for my next watch. I was like, this doesn't totally make sense. There's like a Cartier watch that I'm interested in, and it's not totally off the table because the Cartier watch was like $7-ish, which obviously is still expensive, but it's not something that I kind of have if I am, you know, choosing that over the next few months. So TBD. But anyways, I hope you guys are all having a really great day. Let me know what you think of my new watch. And of course, only let me know if you love it. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.